Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside Gatorland. This adventure starts up close and personal, literally. You'll see massive gators chilling in the mud like they own the place, and honestly, it sets a tone for an epic day ahead. You might not be ready, but Florida wildlife jumps straight into the action. Then things get even more exciting with the leucistic and albino gators. These beauties look like they stepped out of a fantasy world. Rare, glowing, and absolutely stunning. They're the kind of animals that make you stop, stare, and say, okay, this place is special. Next up come the snake, the turtles, and all the critters that make this park feel like a full-on adventure trail. And just when you think you've caught your breath, boom, another wild gator sighting. Florida doesn't play. It always keeps the surprises coming. You'll wander past another turtle living its best slow-paced life before suddenly stumbling into a whole crowd of gators. We're talking a massive chill session, like a reptile beach day, sunbathing, floating, relaxing, and vibes everywhere. Then you'll spot the moment that really sets a scene. A lone gator gliding through the water like the star of its own movie, calm, dramatic, and effortlessly cool. It's giving main character energy. So yeah, if you think Gatorland is just another attraction, wait until you see what we saw. Let's get into this wild review. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It's free, it's easy, and it helps a small channel like this more than you know. Thank you. So once you walk through that giant gator mouth at the entrance, you already know the day is about to be interesting. The vibe hits you right away. It's fun, a little wild, and honestly kinda charming. The place is super easy to get around, and right from the start you're surrounded by animals, little surprises, and a whole lot of Florida energy. Now let's talk gators, because you won't have to look hard to find them. They're everywhere, sunbathing, floating, just doing their thing. If you catch one of the shows, they're actually entertaining. The staff has jokes, the crowd gets into it, and you pick up a few fun facts along the way. It's very family friendly and easy to enjoy. And then there's the part where all the gators decide to hang out together, and I mean a lot of them. It's like a giant gator meetup. They're just chilling, sunbathing, floating, and living their best life. Seeing that many in one place is wild, but in a cool way. And you can't miss that one gator that always looks like it's in a movie scene, gliding across the water like it owns the soundtrack. There's always one. Main character energy. If you're feeling adventurous, you can zip line over the gators. Yes, over them. There's something for every comfort level, from brave to I'll just look from here. Oh, and let's talk about the turtles for a second, because they can steal the show in their own quiet way. These little guys are just vibing. No stress, no rush, just living their best slow life fantasy. Next up, we made our way to some of Gatorland's most unique residents, the Florida Panthers. Super rare and amazing to spot. When we visited, they were taking a little nap. Even asleep, they're stunning to look at, sleek, powerful, and just giving off that I'm the boss energy. It's a really cool little stop in the park and a reminder of how diverse the animals are. One of the coolest surprises at Gatorland was the yellow python we got to see up close, and this one was definitely curious. And now the real stars of Gatorland, the leucistic and albino gators. These guys are absolutely stunning. Their bright white and pale colors make them look so unique, like something straight out of a fantasy movie. Seeing them up close is honestly kind of surreal. They're big, powerful, and yet there's something magical about their coloring. You can't help but stop and stare, but it's not every day you get to see something this rare. And even though they're massive predators, they have this calm, almost regal presence. The flamingos were out living their best life. They were bright, bold, and posing like they knew they were on camera. The whole area looks like a little tropical postcard. And of course, we had to stop at a giant fake gator with its mouth wide open, the perfect spot to act brave for the camera. The boardwalk at Gatorland is such a vibe. Peaceful, scenic, and surprisingly calming after all the jump scare gator moments. You get these wide, beautiful views of the water and wildlife. And once you hit the lookout area, it feels like you're standing in the middle of real Florida wildness. The parrots were a whole show by themselves. Bright colors, loud personalities, and zero fear of attention. Some of them were showing off a little bit, and others were just giving us side-eye, like celebrities avoiding the press. checked out the rattlesnakes, safely behind glass thankfully. They were coiled up, calm, and doing that "don't mess with me" stare they're famous for. Definitely cool to see close up without the danger. And of course the gators are the real stars of the park. Gatorland gives you a wild mix of cute, calm, and straight up impressive. It's one of those places that reminds you Florida wildlife is on a whole different level. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around. We've got plenty more Florida experiences coming your way.